Good morning, students. So far in this chapter heat, we have studied about the concept of temperature, that is the degree of hotness or coldness of a body. Then we have learned that senses or the sense organs cannot be a reliable method of finding out the temperature. For that, we need some of the devices called thermometers. We have discussed different types of thermometers like clinical thermometer, laboratory thermometer and digital thermometer, because these are the devices which tells us about the accurate temperature. In last video, we have discussed about different characteristics of clinical thermometer. In this slide, you can see the picture of clinical thermometer. Clinical thermometer has got some of the characteristics, very important characteristics, like it has the bulb, which is not labeled here. This is the bulb. Inside bulb, mercury is filled. Mercury is considered to be quite poisonous, but it has got some good features which are important for telling the temperature, because it expands on heating. Whenever we keep it inside our mouth, it expands on heating and it moves in the capillary which is there in this glass tube. It moves upward as per the body temperature. Our normal body temperature is considered to be 37 degrees Celsius. During fever, this shows a reading higher to 37 degrees Celsius. This is the bulb. This is the glass tube which is uniform, long, narrow, and it has got one kink here. Kink is somewhat like this. It has got a kink here so that while taking reading, the mercury level will not come down. So if you want to reuse it, you have to give a jerk so that it will come back to the bulb. But before taking reading, it will not come down. Okay, so this is about the clinical thermometer as a recap. And you see the range of this thermometer. It is from 35 to 42 degrees Celsius. So this is the range of this clinical thermometer, which is used by doctors in clinics. That's why it is called clinical thermometer, and basically it is used for measuring the body temperature. So its range is from 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Now we will see what are the precautions of using clinical thermometer and how we should use clinical thermometer. So let's get started with the clinical thermometer characteristic. It is made up of glass tube. The glass tube contains a bulb at one end which is filled with mercury. The mercury level in thermometer rises up with the body temperature. Its range is 35 degrees Celsius to 42 degrees Celsius. Normal body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. The clinical thermometer has a kink, a sharp curve present nearby the bulb. Why it is present, what is the purpose behind kink, is simple, that it prevents the mercury level from falling down on its own in the thermometer. Means if somebody has not taken the reading, it will not come down before taking the reading. And if you want to reuse, then you have to give it a sharp jerk. Now, how to use the clinical thermometer? We have to wash the thermometer with antiseptic solution before and after using, because if some patients are using it, it might get some infection, and infections are quite infectious. Give a few jerks to bring down the level of mercury below 35 degrees Celsius. If you are using it, so before using, one should just give a nice jerk to it so that the mercury level will come down below 35 degrees Celsius. If it is already above 35 degrees Celsius, so it won't be capable of giving the accurate temperature. So before using it, you should give it a jerk carefully so that the mercury level comes down to 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, and then we have to place it below the tongue, beneath the tongue, for about a minute. Then you can take it out and observe the reading in the thermometer. You have to see the reading on the basis of level of the mercury inside the thermometer. So this is how you take the reading, and while taking the reading you have to keep at a height of your eyes, just at the power of your eyes. So in short, these are some of the precautions which should be taken while using a clinical thermometer. Wash the thermometer before and after using it with antiseptic. Then make sure the temperature of thermometer is below 35 before taking the temperature. Then keep the thermometer straight in order to see the mercury level. Then it should always be held with care. You have to handle with care because it's made up of glass body and it has got mercury which is highly poisonous. Do not touch the bulb of the thermometer while taking the reading, because if you touch the bulb of the thermometer, then again with your body temperature the mercury will expand and it will show the higher temperature. So do not touch the bulb of the thermometer, otherwise you will not get the accurate temperature. So these are the precautions that should be taken care while using a clinical thermometer. In next class we will start with the laboratory thermometer. Thank you.